my friend. He asks, drop some knowledge on Tesla. Listen, massive gap to the upside, currently at 928.42. I've got some friends that shorted Tesla at $900 or claim to have shorted Tesla, right? You know, they just kind of sent me those YOLO messages earlier this morning, and I'm not necessarily recommending that. Listen, guys, don't short parabolic markets, right? I know it's like so attractive, man. I know it's so attractive, but as a retail trader, man, like just don't mess around. Just don't mess around. Listen, buy some puts. Don't sell any options right now. Don't buy calls. Don't buy puts. You're ridiculous. Buy some puts on Tesla at maybe like 900, right? Cover your hedge bet. Look for the gap to get filled. I mean, it's redunculous and it's awesome. And the cult of Elon Musk is kicking ass right now, dude. Look, am I going to tell you to buy this? No, man, not in a million years. And I don't care if Tesla runs to like 10 million, right? You enter into the right trade at the right time. I've been in trades that have gone up 100x. I've been in trades that have gone up more, right? I'm a crypto guy. I was in crypto in 2016. I've seen some gains. And Tesla is super awesome and fantastic. Again, I have like very minimal dogs in this, what's that saying? Like horses in this race, dogs in this pony? I don't know, man. Like who's putting dogs and ponies? I don't even know, man. Somebody call the hospital. But I own like 5 shares of Tesla. And, shout out to the cult of Elon Musk. I don't really know anything. I don't really know anything that probably anybody else does, or that everybody else does not already. Just, basically what some of my friends who are actively trading stocks are saying, and kind of the hype around on the media. It's all the, if you're a trader and you've optimized your like news feeds to like just trading information and investment information, it's all I saw this morning. So typically that's my kind of biggest knowledge to like stay away from the market. Or again, in the realm of stocks, I start to think like, oh man, look how big that candle is, dude. If we get a movement in the opposite direction. But again, I don't short parabolic markets, and I don't think that you should either. Maybe buy some puts for 900. Just saying, they're probably really expensive right now. So maybe just stay the fuck away from Tesla, man. But again, listen, cheers to the hodlers, man. Congratulations. This is a great example of when discipline. This is the difference. I want to explain this very clearly, right? And I've said this so many times. And here's the thing. I've had some people. I remember when I was a novice trader, right? And I remember hearing somebody like me say this and thinking that they were silly because they were missing out on gains, man. Like, are you crazy, man? If I would have just bought Tesla, man, at like 200, dude, I'd have been rich. And you're sitting here telling me not to buy it. Look how high it is. It's going to go higher. I remember thinking that. I remember thinking that when I didn't know anything about the markets. Okay? It's 10 years ago. And I'm here to tell you again, just like that dude told me. And I didn't believe him then, and you might not believe me now. But listen, man. The difference between an unsuccessful trader and a successful trader is sticking to the plan. Okay? I don't care what Tesla does. It's not my trade. Right? I have other trades. And all that matters at the end of the day is, are my trades good enough to pay my damn bills, provide for my family, and allow me to enjoy my life independently? The answer is yes. Okay? But this one's for the Tesla hodlers out there right now. All right. Let's take a look over at Tesla, guys. Tesla on the daily. It's really funny. We were looking around yesterday, and I was looking at $900 puts on Tesla. And I did not take those $900 puts, but gosh, I wish that I had. Gosh, I wish that I had taken those $900 puts on Tesla. But it's okay. It's okay. Tesla at $722.91. Pretty dramatic pullback after yesterday's daily close. Again, this is traditional market, so we can see some traditional candlestick analysis working very well here. Again, this currently what's shaping up to be a shooting star pattern with 2 gaps to the upside, so almost an island pattern. And what to say, man? What to say? What a run up on Tesla. What's interestingly enough is we are about to figure out if things are going to get ugly or not for Tesla, because we have our golden dot continuation at 720.70, and price is currently trading at 726.43. All right, 726.43. Now, if we close below 720.70, then we are in a no trade zone, and the only thing on the table is going to be potentially looking for a reversal baseline bounce around 631. Barring that, we're going to be in a no trade zone. However, if we do close right here, we do have some valid continuation. However, I do have to look at the discretionary factors. You know, how badly do the Moon Boys want it compared to who is not going to take advantage of that selling opportunity on Tesla? So we do see here that Minx went overbought. We have a parabolic candle on WADA in conjunction with the doji, but I'm just going to call this what it is, which is a gravestone. In conjunction with that candle, with Minx in overbought territory on traditional markets. Minx is really good at calling these, especially when we go parabolically above. I would not be aggressively re-entering Tesla at this point in time. I am definitely going to let the market sellers come in and see how far they want to push this down. And boom, there we go. We just wiped out the golden dot continuation. Now it is above us. Now we actually need to rally and get above 828 before we can go long again. So that makes things simple. No trade zone on Tesla. No trade zone on Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that the Tesla Moon Boys in the audience took profit where it was warranted.